I noticed you got some like paintballs in your garage.
Smoke bombs.
Oh, I think you were telling me about them.
There's a whole bag of them over there we can flex with. The day we got them, Danny got them for his truck.
Mm-hmm.
And the day we got them, it was super windy, so they were really useless.
Sure.
But the dude was telling us some tricks that you can do, to, like put them in a cold container and then put a little some type of flammable liquid in there with it, like either some lighter fluid or some kerosene or something.
Sounds awesome.
Because the cold helps the smoke condense, and then the lighter fluid, as you saw, there's a lot of unburned stuff, and 90% of the pod's covered in powder, but that doesn't burn off either. So like when you do it all up with the fluid and everything, you get much more smoke, because those things last like 4 seconds.
Before I have to show you this.
I know.
It's pretty nasty, right? Sean. The crack in the garage.
It's so annoying. We'll show you how to El Jefe everything.
The only tool real Sean needs.
Yeah, look, El Jefe to El Jefe, and then you El Jefe it, alright? It's very simple, boys and girls. Just give it the little El Jefe. There you go, cracked.
Okay, I can do it from here.
I'll get you a 1/2-inch ratchet, because you're going to need a U-joint up in there.
Don't underestimate how beefy strong I am.
Yeah.
Going into the land down under.
I guess I'll grab the other creeper. I can sleep under the car as easily as I can stand up here.
This doesn't... No,
the U-joint. I told you U-joint it.
I need an extension.
How are you going to get Mr. Center one up there?
I'm not. Just call Sean.
This is what I deal with.
It's much louder in person. So.
Yeah. Because with a U-joint, you would have been done by now. Alright, there's your bolt.
Yay. Thanks, Shawnee boy.
And now
the car shakes.
A pry bar.
Oh, I didn't unbolt the rear.
That'll help a lot. Well, yeah, hang on, because I need to put the camera down so that I can grab it here, because yeah, pull back and the whole thing's about to fall down.
You ready?
Yep. That's it. On the floor. Go ahead. Dude, they go like they just
Well, so should we lower the cross brace?
It's about to fall off the car.
Oh, okay. Oh my god! Dude, the amount...
Look. Look, hold
no, I see it.
Okay, you can see it?
I can see it. It's... Wow. Dude, even the writing on the side.
Compressed and gone.
So, they created their own angle.
Dude, look. Bottom of the mount to bottom of the mount. They're easily 1/8 of an inch compressed.
Dude, my favorite is the writing right here. Look how it's
mashed in. Yeah, it's pretty impressively worn down.
Amazing. These are definitely souvenirs.
A little more straightforward because the way these slide on, you can only put it on one way with the bump on top. But I've ripped my gloves, so now I have to go wash my hands because I hate having dirty hands.
And I got something in my eye because I wasn't wearing
the safety specs that I tried to offer you 6 times.
Anyway, so what we're doing with the transmission mounts is because there's like a notch on the bottom part, and I saw Sean like remove them by like pulling these out. They got kind of stuck because these are fixed. So what we're gonna do, since it's like these slide on and clamp onto the transmission, is we're gonna line them up like that, tighten them on to the brace, and then just slide it onto the transmission and then clamp these down. So should be mad efficient ish. So the threads are so outrageously long.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a complaint a lot of people had with these, is they didn't understand why the bottom threads weren't cut down a bunch.
Well, so like
That just is what it is. You need a deep socket is what your complaint is, yeah. So start the other one, and I'll go grab you a deep socket.
Okay, thanks, bud.
Yeah.
Everything good, man?
Yeah, there's just such a wide
Yeah, you could.
hole there. I want to center it.
Oh. Way. Perfect, dude.
Except you didn't lift up the washers on the top.
Had one, of course, I undo it while I'm trying to fix the other. Upside down and blind.
Hold this. You're holding too. Hold that side. No, hold it there so it doesn't slide off towards me.
Is that the cop?
No, that's
Okay.
my next door neighbor. He does some type of construction. I think he's a stone layer. He's got a wet cutting machine out in his backyard that some dude runs like.
Jesus, fucking rips it.
Oh yeah, that's a sport bike. They rep to probably 11 or 12 grand.
No, I know. I mean, still,
I'd be doing that.
I would too. I'm just saying.
There's some dude who's got a V6 Mustang who's dropping like 8 grand into having the rear quarter panel replaced.
Jesus.
It's just like a base model, like 2000 Mustang. It's on, just rolled into the shop on Reddit. It's pretty ridiculous. No one can understand. It's like you just go buy a whole other one
For probably equal money-ish.
for way less.
Meet you. I'm gonna hit the bathroom as well. You should be good to go out and then. I feel it through the end of there. What excited boy? Here's what it's like.
So what you're learning is you got fed a bunch of lies.
Well, no, I just looked at it and I thought it was the fat one.
Oh.
But I can't really tell. I'm probably just gonna have to start pulling stuff apart and stop being lazy.
Jesus. So we looked under his car to start the transmission bushings, and the exhaust doesn't have to be dropped, and therefore we've deemed this task easy. So we've gathered all the tools,
You think?
and which is actually not that much, and we're gonna see how quickly we can do it. So we have the jack on ready on the standby, and then I'm gonna show the people what you got going. So before I was so rudely interrupted by one Shawnee boy, one need for a wrench that he still can't have. Oh, he's starting. Anyway, we're gonna see how quick we can do it. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm not like super rushing or anything.
Oh, totally.
I'm gonna calmly take my time, but I don't even think I need. I hope you end up with sand in your eyes.
He has such a way with words. Oh, jeez. They look fine. Yeah.
That bad, but it still needs to go.
Yeah.
No. Yes.
Amy,
Oh,
tell me when to slow down.
come on, go, stop. Keep going. Stop. That smells awful.
Is that good?
No, it smells awful.
No, the jack.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna have to take down this other guard or bend the crap out of it to get a wrench in there, but we'll see what happens.
And just bend it. You can send it later.
Basically.
That light looks uber helpful.
It's actually less bad now.
This is the better?
This is actually better.
Shouldn't you just unclamp the top and then you can wrench the shit out of those really quickly when it's off the car?
Hey, interesting. These don't have the washers that yours do.
I would put them in.
Well, it's built in.
Oh. 5 minutes in and one bushing is out. Meanwhile, a shop will charge you 90 minutes of labor. That's one way to go about it. One thready boy. I'm waiting for the inevitable swearing. One transmission brace for here.
Yeah.
I was right. Oh, he's using the loosen it so it can move trick. So stubborn. Well, why don't you just drill through the transmission brace?
Open it up a bit. Give me a second. What do I do with my thing?
Come on. 15 minutes in.
That's very helpful, thanks.
You're welcome. Well, I'm doing it for the people that I know you love very deeply.
Totally.
They love your 135. Looks like you're almost there.
I am. If I could freaking see, the light keeps blinding me.
Well, we gotta show the people, man.
Yeah, well, it's very unhelpful.
You don't want the people to watch you finish?
Well, I'm a voyeur as much as the next guy. But if I can't see to finish, they're not gonna be able to see me finish. Because I won't be able to finish. You see where I'm going?
I mean, that almost made sense to me. So you ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, just gonna get my seat situated, if you don't mind.
You wouldn't even know how to handle it.
And I'll drive.
You really think so?
Yeah. Why not?
Cause
Why?
it's not yours.
You let me drive it before.
Yeah,
You said you'd even be fine if you were gone and I could drive it.
maybe. I know what I'm feeling for.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna drive your car while you're gone.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Post taste.
What's the awful smell?
I don't know, it smells like beer farts and sulfur.
Thanks for filling up my car for me, boss.
Away, sir.
It had to be said.
Your oil temperature's almost to a point where you can romp on it.
Okay.
Oil temp finally got up.
It's a lot of noise to buck up. Where am I going exactly?
I have no idea where we are, for the record. But you really wanted to drive. I would just pull a Yui. I don't know where we're going. Oh, you're trying to do the first gear.
There you go.
Savage acceleration is it may be less savage now because the bushing's stronger.
That feels proper.
Before, you could feel it grab second, and then you could feel the whole, like it would make a clunk.
Jeez.
Like a hard thunk when I would pull off from first and grab second.
Yeah.
And now it doesn't. Now it's just savage acceleration.
Yeah. But like at 4,000 RPM, you can kind of feel, yeah, even there you can feel it a little bit in your butt.
Yeah.
There, you can really feel it.
Yeah. So, next on the list, $300 for engine mounts.
And a transmission removal.
I can do this or the next one, doesn't matter. This is Fulton. This is also cop activity, so I wouldn't necessarily... I mean, we're doing the speed limit roughly, so it's not a big deal.
I only reached like 50.
Yeah.
Which is the speed limit here.
Ish. I think it was like 48.
49 and a half, and...
They just won't let them see the signs coming up. This is Mexico, there is no speed limit.
Exactly. It says I'll limit day speed. Alright, so now that we finished a long day in the shop, there's only one way to end a day in the shop. And that is with cupcakes.
Cupcake! Cupcake!
Go for it.
Do I want chocolate or vanilla? It's a tough choice. I only have one.
These run sale.
I'll go vanilla.
Cubby cakey.
Alright, we will see you guys next time, because unless you want them to watch you eat a cupcake. Okay, yeah, now it has to be censored. See you guys next time.